Welcome to a new unboxing video. My name is Ilona and I'm product manager at Online-HearingAids. Now today we'll be looking at the new Widex SmartRIC, a unique hearing aid from Widex. Widex is a very beloved and popular brand at Online-HearingAids. Their slogan is "Sounds like no other," and our hearing care professionals are completely in agreement with that. And therefore always recommend Widex for new users who have no experience wearing hearing aids, as well as for people who are true music lovers. So here I have received a brand new Widex SmartRIC along with its charger. Let's take a look at what's inside. Now the first thing I notice is the unique design. Normally, hearing aids have a pear-shaped design because the internal battery placed at the bottom of the device. But this Widex SmartRIC looks very different from previous Widex models, especially due to the completely new placement of the directional microphones. This 20-degree curve of the device improves the effectiveness of the microphones, which reduces wind noise by as much as 20 decibel. Now additionally, the touch noise, something that can be specifically annoying for people with long hair, has been reduced by 88%, and this really adds to a lot of comfort while wearing the devices. But the real magic happens under the hood. The technology developed by Widex provides exceptionally natural sound, thanks to the combination of three innovative technologies developed by Widex. The first is the speech enhancer, which helps to enhance conversations even in the presence of background noise. Then there is the Widex MySound, which uses artificial intelligence, which further refines the sound. And last but not least, there is the true acoustic, which further personalizes the sound experience and especially improves music quality. And then in our experience, Widex users never want to switch to another brand because of this. The sound is just so pure and natural. You'll particularly notice this in how the SmartRIC captures sound in noisy environments. This is made possible thanks to the redesign of the casing and the smart placement of the microphones, which significantly improves speech understanding in noisy surroundings. Additionally, the SmartRIC features both a telecoil and a tinnitus program, but it cannot be paired with a cross device for people with one-sided deafness. Both the hearing aids and the charger have a very modern, sleek and compact design. It just looks really good. Now I should mention that the Widex SmartRIC is only available as a rechargeable model. The accompanying charger, the Widex Smart Charger, has an internal power bank, so you can charge your hearing aids on the go. Another great benefit of the rechargeable battery is its lifespan. With a full charge, the hearing aids can last between 24 to 37 hours, depending on how much you use Bluetooth. For people who love streaming, the battery can still last up to 24 to 27 hours, even with 8 hours of streaming. But we always recommend getting into the habit of placing your hearing aids in the charger every night, so you are never caught off guard with an empty battery. And if you're traveling, the charger provides enough energy for up to 5 days of charging without needing a power outlet. So this is ideal for frequent travelers. The Bluetooth connectivity of the Widex SmartRIC is particularly strong and reliable for both iPhone and Android. You can even connect it to a smart TV without needing an accessory. If you don't have a smart TV, you can still stream sound to your hearing aids via the Widex TV Play accessory. However, the SmartRIC is not yet compatible with the upcoming Auracast Bluetooth technology. If you want to know more about Auracast Bluetooth, then I recommend watching our other video where we explain more about this topic. I will leave a link in the description down below. In addition to the hearing aids themselves, we also recommend the Widex Sound Assist for optimal conversations. This handy little accessory helps helps you follow conversations more easily by placing the microphone more closely to your conversation partner. This is perfect for during a meeting or in classes, for example. And of course, you can fully personalize your hearing aids using the Widex app on your mobile phone, giving you more control over your hearing aid experience. Now, if you're interested in the Widex SmartRIC, or if you just want to know more about this hearing aid and if it's suitable for your hearing loss, please feel free to contact us or request a quote. You can find the links in the description down below. And that was our unboxing video of the Widex SmartRIC. Don't forget to follow our channel because we will be releasing more videos soon about other models and use for accessories. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments down below what you think of this hearing aid. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.